In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Mailchimp. This is a useful skill if you're looking to add structured content like schedules, product comparisons, or any data that works well in a table format to your email campaigns. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and customize a table for your Mailchimp emails. Let's get started. First, log in to your Mailchimp account and navigate to your dashboard. From there, open the specific campaign or template that you want to edit. This is the canvas where we're going to add the table. Once you're in the editor for that campaign or template, locate the Content tab. It's usually on the right-hand side of the editor interface. This is where you'll find all the building blocks you need for designing your email. Now, drag the code block from the sidebar and drop it into the spot where you want your table to appear. The code block is essentially a blank container where you can input HTML, and it will render the content directly in your email layout. You'll be using this block to add the table's code in just a moment. Next, open a new browser tab and visit a visual table builder such as HTML Table Generator. This type of tool is incredibly handy because it allows you to create a table without needing to write code from scratch. Once you're on the website, you'll see an interface where you can specify how many rows and columns you want in your table. For example, if you're building a product comparison table, you might need 3 columns for the product name, features, and price, and however many rows you need for the number of products you're comparing. After setting up the structure, go ahead and enter your data into the cells. This is where you can populate the table with the actual content you want to display in your email. Once you're satisfied with how the table looks, find the Generate or Copy to Clipboard button on the Table Builder's interface. Click on it to copy the HTML code for your completed table. This code is what Mailchimp will use to render the table in your email. Now, switch back to your Mailchimp editor and click inside the code block that you added earlier. You'll probably see some placeholder text there. Delete that text so that the block is empty and ready for your custom code. Then paste the HTML code you just copied into the editor box. This tells Mailchimp exactly how to render your table. Once that's done, it's always a good idea to preview your work to make sure everything looks the way you want it to. Click the Preview button in the top menu of the Mailchimp editor. This will show you how your table will appear in the final email. Take a close look to make sure the layout is correct and that the table fits well within the design of your email. If you notice anything that needs tweaking, you can make adjustments directly in the HTML code within the code block. For example, you might want to modify the width of the table so that it fits better on mobile devices. Or you could add a border to make the rows and columns stand out more. You can also change the background color to match your email's branding. These changes can be done by editing the HTML attributes, which are easy to identify in the code. And that's it. Once you're happy with how the table looks, you're ready to save your changes and proceed with your email campaign. Adding a table to your Mailchimp email doesn't have to be complicated, and with these steps, you now have the tools to do it quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.